What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see here, we have another SI in the driveway, and I'm pleased to say this is the start of the dream build. As a kid, when I was in middle school, I saw the 8th gen SIs and I always wanted one, mostly with the Type R, the FD2. Safe to say, well, not really safe to say, 2019 hasn't really been our year. Went with hydrolocked, crashed the SI, totaled it. Pretty much all my hard work went to waste. But I got my dream car that I always wanted since I was in middle school, and I'm having a daughter. So it's a win-win situation, but don't worry, 2020, we're gonna be coming hard, and we're gonna make sure 2020 we make the best as we can for that year. So here it is in all its glory, 2007 Honda Civic Si. Don't worry, I'm gonna take you guys through the whole car, show you guys some info, how I got it, how it sits, what's the current thing I've done to it, which is pretty much nothing, but is my new, well, kind of new to me, SI. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go through the whole car. All right, so story time pretty much. So I was in the market trying to find a good 8th gen SI out there, and most of them you can't really find a stock 8th gen without it being, you know, K20 head, K24 bottom end, you know, Frankenstein, or either, you know, it's about to blow, or a lot of mods, customizations going on. So it took a couple months to find the perfect one. Don't get me wrong, this one ain't perfect, but for what I was looking for and for the price point I got it for, it was totally worth it. So pretty much I drove 3 hours up north, met the guy, test drove the car, liked it, loved it, bought it right there and then, and drove it back home. But yeah, that's pretty much the story to it. It was a simple story, but now I think about it, it was a long wait to get a perfect SI, but in words it was pretty short. But so once again, I will be going through all the things that the SI has, and pretty much I haven't done really nothing to the car mod wise. I did, you know, restore some things because it's a 12-year-old car. So, and it was one owner. The guy owned it for 12 years, which is really nice. He was only one owner, older gentleman. Never modded the car, never anything. All he told me he ever did to the car was put that K&N intake, which is, you know, get an AutoZone. But other than that, he kept it all stock for 12 years. As you can see, well, we will see, we have stock wheels and everything on the car. Everything's stock, except for some minor things that I've done myself up to this point, because I wanted to get ready for the video. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get to the whole car. Alright, so starting in the front end, I did replace the SI badging because it was already discolored, it was fading, so got a new one on there. And Eric and I actually did the fog lights for this because I do travel an hour to work, and with the fog I was like, bro, we need to install some fog lights. So we went ahead and got the fog light kit for this car and did all the installation ourselves. So that's the front pretty much. So right here is the stock wheel, and he put new tires for me, but they're not the best. But then again, they're not the worst. I could have had balding tires or something, but he was a good guy. And another thing I did add was these splash guards. I don't know, I really like those on the 8th gens. They really look nice and clean. And then I did have to replace the IV Tech one because 12 years, like I said, it was already chipping. It was still on there, but we took it off because it was chipping and it looked nasty. So I just bought a new one on eBay and put it on there. I like it, nice touch. And then coming back to the rear, there's really nothing done. Put a new SI badge as well. It was fading, it lost the red, it was already silver. But yeah, here's pretty much the outside of the car, all stock. Don't even have tinted windows, that's how stock they kept it. This car is really gonna have some work done to it because he did daily drive for 12 years. There's some chips I want to get rid of, but of course here we always mod our stuff. So here and there I'm gonna be working on the body or performance wise. So let's just take a look inside and show you what we got. Alright, so stepping into the car, as you can see, he even kept the SI mats for 12 years. I really like that. And then the seats, they're a little bit dirty, little stains. He did have kids, so we're obviously gonna have to go clean that. But other than that, I really like the car. It's really nice and clean. He has that premium navigation, and the shifter feels nice. He did the clutch and everything before I bought it. AC. But yeah, the car looks very, very nice. I like it so far. And as you can see, here's a fog light button that we installed, Eric and I. Shout out to him, best homie in the world. And the back, The back's pretty, you know, don't really use it back for now until we have the kid, but it's clean. This car was a nice, clean car. The guy kept the stock for 12 years, didn't really do anything to it. But the one thing I do love whenever I buy a used car is the guy actually has all the manuals, all the service records, everything he got from the dealership, which is really nice. Something I really enjoyed when I bought the car, and that pretty much made me pull the trigger to buy the car. Don't worry, we'll be changing that, you know, some hybrid performance parts maybe, I don't know, skunk 2, we don't know. Pretty much new to this platform, but I'll make sure I make the best of it. And look, cup holders, nice. But yeah, that's how we're all with the SI. It's pretty much stock for 12 years. Nothing really done to it, only the little subtle things I did to it. Here's the SI, the new build for Project H. And another thing before I let you guys go, we're still doing that giveaway I decided to do when I still had my 10 gen. So pretty much at 500 subscribers, I'll give away my X pedal from Engine, which is a throttle controller. I really liked it when I had it on my SI. And 1,000, someone will be lucky enough to get a K-Tuner V2 that I still have in my 10 gen. So pretty much it's simple. Just make sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram. That's it. And when we hit those marks, 510,000, 500, and 1,000, we'll choose a winner. Simple as that. But yeah, guys, tried my best to restore this SI as if I bought it off the lot. Did the fog lights, a lot of them. New badging, nice. Restored some plastic trimming. Bought splash guards, and pretty much try and keep the SI alive. It looks nice. I like it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll pretty much see you guys within a couple weeks or until next year. We're pretty busy right now, but like I said, 2020 will be our year for Project H. We're all starting up with our builds. 2019 was a rough year, but we won't let that stop us. So just stay tuned, guys. Appreciate you guys all support and love. So couldn't do it without you guys. I get motivated every day because of you guys to make a new video, to try to record something at least fun, you know, installs or something like this, just a little update. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys in the next one. Peace.